In this video, we're going to show you how to remove the interior door panel on your Ford F-150 Super Cab located on the rear door. We need to remove this cover, but to start, I'm going to go ahead and take my seat belt. I'm going to stretch it up and over. Just get that out of the way. I'm going to use my trim tool to get behind here. And we basically want to go ahead and start releasing the plastic retainers, holding this in place. Here we go. Now right on your door pull area, I want to pop this cover off. I'm going to go ahead and use my pocket screwdriver. Go ahead and release this. And when you pop this side here, there are two little tabs on the inboard portion. Just pop those out. We now want to go ahead and remove this piece of our door pull area. Around the top and around the bottom are going to be seams. You can use your plastic trim tool or you can use your pocket screwdriver. You just want to be careful not to damage the plastic. And pull this out and then pull it out and away. You're going to release this tab right here, and there's going to be a series of plastic retainers that lock into the panel itself. Now starting at the top, we're going to use our 7mm socket and extension on our driver, loosen and remove. As you remove these here, you want to pay attention to what goes where. Right here are going to be a couple other bolts. These are 10mm. We're going to come on over here. These are 7s. And on the bottom of the door panel itself are going to be a couple more 7mm. Let's go ahead and loosen and remove those. These go up at an angle, not straight in. There's one. That's 2. Using your 10mm, go ahead, loosen and remove these 2. Use my magnet, go ahead and grab those. And I should be able to go ahead and release the door handle component right here. This is going to stay put, but we want to continue to remove the door panel itself. Now that we have all of our hardware out, before we pop the panel off, we want to go ahead and remove our switch here. Now I'm going to go ahead and use my pocket screwdriver. It's a flat head, and just gently get underneath and pry this up. Work your way around the perimeter. There's 2 retainer clips, forward and aft. Pull this up and want to disconnect the harness. It's going to be a little pinch tab right here. Simply pinch and wiggle that off. Now we can go ahead and grab that door panel and tug that off. As you pull this out, you're going to lift it up. When installing the door panel, there's a few things you need to take into consideration. Along the top here, there's going to be 2 retainers. These here need to attach to your door panel. Don't forget to push your harness up into the pocket for the switch. And then while doing that, you need to finagle it around this contraption right here for your door pull. So let's go ahead and get to it. All right, now we have the tabs lined up here. It's not going to recess yet. What you need to do next is look through the pocket here, and you're going to come through on the inboard portion. Make sure that all your pins are lining up. Once those pins line up, you should be able to go ahead and get everything else popping into place. Take that screw and line this up. Gently secure that. While that's in place, let's go ahead and get this entire panel addressed so we can get that out of the way. Drop that down into place. Line up your plastic push pins around the perimeter. Don't forget to adjust your seatbelt later on to your proper height. Going to install the handle here. Install the two 10mm bolts. Just gently snug those down. Install the two screws here. Just gently snug those down. Let's go ahead and grab that cover. Don't forget, install this tab inward underneath the armrest here. Line it up. Snap it on. Let's go ahead and grab that switch. Pull that harness up, line that up. You're going to hear and feel it engage. Go ahead and tuck that down. Snap it into place. Insert the two small tabs inward first. Snap it in. Install the lower screws on the door panel. Go ahead and grab that seat belt. Retract that up. And you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.